In this video, we're going to show you how to properly wire the Elite painted 56 frame 3/4 horsepower motor to the Bremas brand drum switch for 110 volt use. Bremas brand switches with red handles are supplied by BHUSA. They are NEMA rated up to 20 amps and can be used on any BHUSA supplied single-phase reversible AC boat lift motor from 3/4 horsepower through 1.5 horsepower, both 110 volt and 220 volt. Here are the kinds of tools you will need for the wiring job. The first thing you always do before attempting any wiring is make sure the power is disconnected. Begin by attaching the metal elbow to the motor that will hold the wiring harness. Remove the top cover. To add an aluminum pulley to the motor, remove the key stock that is taped to the side of the motor. Place the pulley on the shaft and add the key stock to the keyway flush with the end. Then tighten the set screw securely. Elite painted motors come already wired for 220 volt power. To change to 110 volts, remove the cover over the wire housing electrical area on the motor. Loosen the ground screw. Pull the black and red wires out of the way. Remove the white wire from the number 3 terminal. Remove the blue wire from the number 2 terminal and connect the blue wire to the number 3 terminal. Connect the white wire to the number 1 terminal. The numbers should be visible on the motor terminals. It is recommended to twist the wires together on the Bremas switch harness and put a slight bend in them so they will fit easily through the metal elbow. Strip the green, orange, and white wires 1/4 inch. Strip the red and black switch wires 1/2 inch. Put a fork spade on the ground wire. Place a female spade on the orange and white wires. Crimp all tightly. Do not leave any bare wire showing above or below the spades. Connect the orange wire to the number 1 terminal on the motor, next to the white wire you already connected. Connect the white wire to the number 4 motor terminal. Twist the 2 black wires together and connect with a wire nut. Twist the 2 red wires together and connect with a wire nut. Pull the switch wire bundle gently up into the motor and carefully push all wires back up into the motor. Connect the green ground wire to the ground screw and tighten the screw securely. Put the wire housing cover back in place. Tighten the screws securely. Bend the switch wire harness over the metal elbow and place the cover back on the elbow. Tighten the screws. Now plug the motor in and test it. Set the switch to up and the motor should go clockwise. Set the switch to down and the motor should go counterclockwise. Never forget to let the motor come to a complete stop before changing directions. Be sure to check out our video for wiring the Bremas drum switch to the Elite painted 56 frame motor for 220 volts. For demonstrations on wiring other motors with the Bremas brand drum switch, take a look at the other videos in this series available on our website bh-usa.com.